What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Helm's Deep Historic Site. We're back with another full box break. This is set 4, the 2 towers. We're going to open all 36 packs in here today. We got box number 078052 for anyone counting. I am really looking forward to this set. The big pull, the big chase in this is the One Ring card that's underwater. If you get that in the foil, that's probably the best outcome here. But any character rares in foils would be awesome. Hides is another big deal card from this set. So we're just gonna dive on in. I'm gonna try to move a little bit quicker through my opening this time. I won't spend as much time talking about all the commons and uncommons. We'll just try to get to those rares and foils as soon as we can. Here we go. First pack magic. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the back, I think. Okay, here we go. There's an Aemir card. Just tinker with my light there. That's a common. All right, we're into the uncommons now. And there's the rare. So I think it's 7 from the back. That's our rare, a condition. Supplies of the mark. Plays to your support area. Add 2 and place a villager from hand beneath your draw deck to heal an ally. Okay. Put that aside. Pack number 2, let's go. Let's try 7 from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, well, that was an accident, but there's our rare. Urk Trooper. Damage +1. Stack this minion on a site you control. If stacked on a site you control, play this minion. Its twilight cost is -1. I'm just going to check those cards I dropped, see if any of those were a foil. Sorry about that. Oh, that's a cool Legolas common. I really like that card. No foils. That's okay. I'm expecting 6 foils in the box. I've heard of people getting 7 before, but I've also heard of people getting like 2. So we'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, there's our first foil. That's a sick foil, actually. Storeroom, uncommon. Heal an unbound hobbit once or twice if you spot Gandalf. So we'll put that over here with our other foils to come. We got an Aragorn. Also just stoked to have more play cards from this set. I've only been able to make 2 decks for Towers block with the cards I have. And there's the rare, Night Without End event. Response, if an elf wins a skirmish, exert that elf to liberate a site or wound a minion. Okay. Let's go, pack 4. I'm really happy about Storeroom. That's a cool card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's the rare Urk Vanguard. Damage +1 or 2 if at a battleground. To play, spot an Urukai while at a battleground. This minion is fierce. 17 strength. That's crazy. I don't have that card. Now I do. That's why we do this. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my God. Wow. I should just quit right now. What the hell? A foil hides. That's wow, man. That's about as good as it gets in this box. And it looks like it's in good condition. No print lines. Oh man. That's crazy, dude. Okay. Wow. Well, we'll put that over there. And keep going, I guess. That's crazy. I wasn't feeling lucky today. Definitely didn't think 5 packs in we'd have one of the best cards in the set. Oh man. Okay. And there's the rare Southron Archer. He's a Southron and he's an archer. He's Southron Archer. While you can spot another Southron, the minion archery total is +1 for each site you control. Wow, hides. Okay. Damn. This is crazy. I love this movie. I love this set. It introduced, obviously, the Rohan culture, the Dundling and the Southrons and the Easterlings, which are all just so cool. The Battle of Helm's Deep, like, changed my life seeing that in theaters when I was 11 years old. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Such an epic movie. Such an epic set. Okay. Attack on Helm's Deep. And there's the rare Rapid Fire. Exert a Southron Archer to make the minion archery total +1 for each burden. Limit 5. Okay. I'm going to get these out the way, because we got to make room. There's a lot more where that came from. Hides foil. Holy hell. I wonder what that sells for. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A little anticlimactic, because I guess that's probably the best we're going to get. Oh, no. This is another rare foil. Oh, my God. You guys probably hate me. I'm getting crazy lucky lately. That God pack. Oh, my God. Hearken to me. Spell condition. To play spot Gandalf, bearer must be Theoden. Discard all shadow conditions on Theoden. Shadow conditions may not be played on Theoden. That's a really cool card. I've never really seen that used in a deck on Gemp before, but I like the sounds of that. I didn't even know it existed. I should really put that in a sleeve, but it's safe there. Okay, what else is in this pack? There's the rare. Wake of Destruction. Spot 2 sites you control to make each of your Dunlin men fierce until the regroup phase. Yeah, that's pretty nuclear. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lorien Swordsman, Weary, Horse of Rohan, Silthron Scout, Grima, that's the common one. There's a pretty cool rare Grima in here too. Oh wow, that's one of the best cards in the set too. It's not foil, but just to have that be one of our rare pulls, that's awesome. That's part of what you call Rohan Tank, Mike Dalton. When he's set up with Firefoot and his spear, it's a pretty powerful combination for Towers block. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, not a foil, but happy to have it. That's another one of the best rares in the set. Answer to all riddles. While wearing the One Ring, the ring bearer is strength +2, and each time he is about to take a wound in a skirmish, add a burden instead. But you have to add a burden to wear the ring until the regroup phase. So yeah, you can't absorb archery wounds, but I mean that's a pretty popular ring to play with. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, no foil in this pack. Let's check out what this rare is. I'm going to go through all these later on my own time. I just didn't want to make you guys sit through that narration again. Oh, wow. Okay. That's a great card. That's another rare. That's the rare from this pack. Éowyn, sister daughter of Theoden. She's valiant. And the response trigger is if Éowyn is exhausted and about to take a wound in a skirmish, discard 2 cards from hand to prevent that wound. That's pretty sick. So she's hard to kill. Okay. Let's keep it going. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No foil. Gimli. Faramir's Cloak. Oh yeah, I forgot. He's in here somewhere, him and his boys. Bearer must be Faramir. Each roaming minion skirmishing a ringbound man is strength -1. Pretty cool. Great box so far. Even if the rest is kind of dull, like, I'm happy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Weary, Horse of Rohan, Silthron Scout, warmed up a bit. Grima, Theoden, common. Anger, Eastfold, Damrod, Desert Soldier. That's the rare. Help in doubt and need. It's a Gondor condition. Plays to your support area. Exert an unbound Gondor man to make a Rohan companion strength +2, or vice versa. So that's good if you got a Rohan deck with Aragorn in it. Okay. Okay, no foil. Oh, yeah, there is a foil. Okay. I love location foils. I'm actually thinking about collecting them. Deeping Wall. Uncommon. Play Sauron from your draw deck. This is my favorite. This is one of my favorite locations in Towers Block. It's kind of got a couple of print lines in there that I don't love, but that's okay. That's a sick card. Deeping Wall. Love that. And let's see what the rare is. That's a great Fairmere to pull. Elven Brooch. The Looter. Plains of Rohan Camp. Wait. Where's the rare? Oh. Must have did the pack trick wrong. That's what happens when I don't count out loud. Driven back. Spot 2 Isengard archers to make the minion archery total +1 for each card in the dead pile. Okay, I will. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. And Gimli common. Spear, sword, rearguard, Mithrandir, warrior, swordsman, gullies, 4th Aerlingus, arsonist, King's Mail. That's the rare. That's a pretty cool card. Gets you into trouble sometimes if your opponent is an archer, because you can't put archery wounds on Theoden, but Bear must be a man. This is Theoden's special armor. He takes no more than 1 wound during each skirmish phase, and if Bear is Theoden, he may not take wounds except during skirmishes involving him. So not in the maneuver phase or the archery phase or the regroup phase. He can only take wounds in a skirmish. Can't take threat wounds if you're playing movie block, so it can bite you in the butt sometimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Desert Warrior, Samwise the Brave, Broad-bladed Sword, the Ruling Ring, Curse Them, Madman, Sword, no defense, Wizard's Veil, and the rare is this Dwarf event. Rest by Blind Night. Shuffle any number of dwarf conditions and all cards stacked on them into your draw deck. So that's a regroup action. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Desert Spearman. Boromir's Gauntlets. And that's the rare, Beyond All Hope. Exert 2 Uruk-hai to add a burden for each card in the dead pile. Huh, that could be a nuclear option. Never seen that come up before. Usually with Uruk-hais, you're not really thinking about corruption strategies. You're just kind of using blunt force. But that's interesting. I like the concept of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Crossbowman. I love this villager. Hlafwine. Another Faramir. Savage. Stump and Bramble. Living off Rock. Fangorn Forest. Play Treebeard from your draw deck. That's a sick location. And that's the rare Forest of Athelion. Plays to your support area. While the Fellowship is at Site 5, the site number for each man in a skirmish is +2. Discard this condition and exert a ringbound man to liberate a site. So that's goes hand in hand with those bows that they use that let you wound a roaming minion, and cards like that let you do certain things to minions, but only if they're roaming. So by pumping up their site number, it makes them roaming minions, and then you can use other cards to kill them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Faramir and his gang, they're all pretty cool. I like those cards that came out with this set. Yeah, I like these guys. The Rangers. There's the rare Eastern Emyn Mule. Plays to your support area. Each ringbound companion moving from Site 2 must exert twice. Discard this condition and exert a Southron man to exert a ringbound companion. Yeah. Weird one, because it's you know, you have to draw it early enough to be able to do anything with that Site 2 function. I think, like, with Gemp, you know, you have access to every card in the database pretty much, so you're just building the best deck possible. But back in the day when we were playing these in real life, it was just like you're at the mercy of what you pulled. Oh, Urk Stormer. That is a really cool foil. So all his armor is foiled over and his teeth and eyes. Scary looking monster. Damage +1. Each time a companion or ally is killed in a skirmish involving an Uruk-hai, you may take control of a site. Really good, this is like a really good game card too. It has those print lines again, right down the middle. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's entirely okay though. I'll throw that in a binder. You'll never even see that. But yeah, two really distinct print lines right down the middle of the card, just like the deeping wall. We're not going to stress about that though. That's a cool looking Uruk-hai. He's going up there. Okay. Kill them now. There's a Frodo, our first Frodo. Southron Veterans is the rare. Southron, and he's ambush 1. Exert this minion and spot 6 companions to make the Free People's player exert 2 companions. All right. Well, we got 5 foils already. We're about halfway done, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Mary, Stalker, Supporting Fire, Band of Wild Men, Sword of Gondor, Rider of Rohan, From the Armory, Trooper, Orthanc Library. Shout out Orthanc Library on YouTube. And Hill Chief is the rare. That's a cool one. Spot a site you control and exert Hill Chief to draw 3 cards. The Dunlin guys are so scary. One, two, three, 4. Got a weird little print dot on that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, Long I Fell. That's a cool foil. Print lines again. That's okay. Spock Gandalf to prevent all wounds to him. Any shadow player may make you wound a minion to prevent this. Okay, Sothron Soldier, Sword of Rohan, killed him now. Another Frodo. Stables, that's a really cool location. Exert a Rohan man to play a Rohan mount from your draw deck. And the rare is Sam's Pack. Bear must be a ringbound hobbit, so Frodo or Sam. At the start of each turn, you may add 2 to heal a ringbound companion. Alrighty. So, we already pulled 6 foils. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 packs left, and we already pulled all the foils I'm expecting to pull. It's possible there's a 7th pack with foils in it, but I highly doubt it. Well, let's keep going. Part of me wants to, like, if I know there's no more foils, part of me wants to maybe keep some of these sealed just so I can give them away to friends and stuff that are getting into the game. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Robber. But there's so many cool rares to chase from this deck, from this set. So I don't know. Oh, another hides. That's awesome. So we got a foil hides and a regular hides. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Herc Runner. Eowyn. Hillman Band. And another one of those. Interesting. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hellman Mob is the rare. Each time this minion wins a skirmish, you may play a Dunling man from hand. His Twilight cost is -2. That man is fierce and damage +1 until the regroup phase. That's a sick card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know what? I think I'll put 10 packs aside. I've got everything I need from this box already. I'm going to open 2 more packs just for the sake of the video. And I'm going to save those 10 for giving away. Maybe selling, maybe opening another as a part of another video. I just don't really have a sealed product inventory because I've been opening everything I buy. So I just kind of want to save a few, knowing that there's probably not a foil in there. Hope you guys understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my God. What the yeah. There's definitely no more than 7. What the hell? Well, I'm glad I kept going because that's insane. Making me rethink all my choices here. I didn't even get another thing ready because I only thought I would get 6, but there's foil number 7, and that's pretty awesome. Like, to pull a character foil, especially a big dog like Legolas. Wow. Okay. This box is crazy. What the hell? And the rare is Burning of Westfold. Plays near support area. If you control a site, play an Uruk-hai to discard a Free People's condition. All right, let's call this the last pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Samwise the Brave. Broad-bladed sword. One ring. Curse them. Madman. Elven sword. Urk Seeker. Fortress of Ornthanc. Feathered. Uruk-hai mob. And there's a great rare. That's the Gimli Lockbearer. Strength +1 for each unbound hobbit you can spot. Yeah, I mean, I'd just be getting greedy, and I can use these packs to give out to, like, I've been trying really hard to get some more people interested in this hobby. So I could use these to give out to some friends that I'm teaching how to play. I don't want to push my luck any further because 7 foils, we got some great rares. Let's just go over the biggest pulls. I mean, there's nothing in these 10 packs. I know it in my heart. I don't deserve any more than this, so I'm stopping. That's just so damn cool. Foil hides. What the hell, guys? That's the pull of the day for sure. And then the other rare foil. Hearken to Me. Another cool one. Not a rare, but I also am I really like that card. Storeroom. Deeping Wall. That's pretty sick. Long I Fell. Eric Stormer. And that's yeah, that's so cool. It's a really cool Legolas card too, like deck wise. And then some of the big rares we got. A non-foil hides. Some important characters. Some pretty cool minions. Okay, guys. Well, I will let you know if anything crazy happens with those other 10 packs. Oh yeah, we got this too. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this box. I'm pretty happy with it. So I'm going to tap out, and thanks for watching, you guys. We'll be back as soon as I can afford another box. I'd like to do like a Realms of the Elf Lord next. If anybody has a good price on one of those, just give me a month or so to replenish the bank account. And yeah, we'll be back with another video as soon as I can afford to. Thanks, guys.